In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets in your browser and make sure you are inside the spreadsheet where you want to add ChatGPT. This can be a brand new blank sheet or an existing file you already use for work or personal projects. It is helpful to have the spreadsheet fully loaded before you continue, so the menus and tools appear correctly at the top. Next, look at the top menu bar and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps optional tools that you can add on to expand what the spreadsheet can do. When you open the Extensions menu, you will see a few options. Choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the official place to install add-ons for Google products like Sheets, Docs, and Slides. Once the Marketplace window opens, go to the search area and type in the word Highlight. Take your time here and make sure the spelling is correct so your search results are accurate. After you search, look through the results until you find the add-on called ChatGPT in Slides, Docs, Sheets. Select it so you can view its details. On the add-on page, click the option labeled Highlight. This will take you to the install process for the add-on. Now click Install. At this point, Google may ask you to confirm the installation and approve permissions. Read what is shown on the screen so you understand what access the add-on is requesting. This is a normal part of installing any add-on, and it helps Google connect the tool to your spreadsheet so it can function properly. After you confirm, wait a moment for the installation to finish. When it is complete, the add-on will be connected to Google Sheets and ready to use through the Extensions menu going forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.